I will go through the main steps that are behind this study. It seems that in obliteration surgery, there are no residual cholesteatomas between the glass granules. We tested 2 cell culture media that contained several bioactive glass concentrations. A culture without any glass and a culture with bioactive glass. And granules were mixed in a sterile environment with these solutions. More the glass, fewer the living cells. So there seems to be an inhibitory effect. There is up to 0.4 millimeters of dead cell area in the immediate vicinity of the glass. When there is no glass, the cell confluence in that damaged area is able to grow and close itself more so than with these glass series.